If any sequence of n non-zero numbers, a pair of consecutive terms with opposite sign represent a sign change. For example, from -2 to 3 there is one sign change, from 3 to -4 there is another sign change, from -4 to 5 there is another sign change. So 3 times the sign has changed here, so 3 sign changes is noted. Does the sequence of non-zero numbers, non-zero means none of them is 0, have an even number of sign changes? Now Sk is given as -1 to the power k for all the positive integers from 1 to n. So now it entirely depends on the value of n. For example, if n is equal to 2, then s1 will be -1, s2 will be +1. So for n equal to 2, there is only one change. But for n equal to 3, s1 will be -1, s2 will be +1, s3 will be equal to -1. So now we can see that there are two sign changes. So depending upon the values of n, the signs are changing. Therefore, we say that the first statement alone is definitely not sufficient to answer the question. Now, option A and D are out. The second statement says that n is odd. But we do not know how the sequence is progressing because the sequence formula is not given in the second statement. Therefore, second statement alone is definitely not sufficient to answer the question. B option is out. Now the third step is combining the two statements. When we combine the two statements, we understand that the sequence is progressing as per the given expression, which is -1 to the power k for all the positive values of k ranging from 1 to n. And n is odd. So one possibility is n is 3, and another possibility that we can take is n is 5. If n is 3, then the terms in the sequence will be -1, +1, -1. That means the number of sign changes will be one sign change, second sign change. So there are two sign changes. But if n is equal to 5, we will have -1, +1, -1, +1 and -1 because every even term will give us +1 because -1 to the power even will always be +1 and -1 to the power odd will always be -1. So here the number of changes that we see is 1 change, 2 change, 3 change, 4 change. So we have 4 changes. So even after combining the two statements, we do not have a unique number of the sign changes. But the question is asking, does this sequence has even number of sign changes? And always we are having even number of sign changes because every two adjacent numbers are representing one sign change. And odd values of odd number of terms in a set means that the total number of changes will be even, because you can see that for 3 numbers there are 2 changes, for 5 numbers there are 4 changes. So for n numbers there will be n minus 1 changes, and since n is odd, therefore n minus 1 will be even, and the answer to the question will be definitely yes. And so the two statements together are sufficient to answer the question, and final answer will be option C. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.